In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage views in Zendesk. We'll dive into navigating the admin center to manage these views effectively, enhancing your experience and productivity. To begin, let's open Zendesk and head straight to the admin center. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Workspaces. Within Workspaces, you'll find a category called Agent Tools. It's here that you'll find Views, where you can access all view management options. This area is crucial as it allows you to organize and streamline the way you interact with tickets, ensuring you have quick access to the most relevant information. Once you've reached the Views page, you'll notice there are different categories of views that Zendesk offers. The first type is Default Views. These are built-in views that are mostly non-editable and include categories such as suspended tickets or deleted tickets. Default views are set up by Zendesk to help you easily manage common ticket scenarios, and while you can't modify them much, understanding what they provide can significantly enhance your ticket management strategy. Next, let's talk about shared views. These are particularly useful if you're working within a team, as they allow multiple agents or entire groups to have access to the same set of tickets. Shared views ensure that everyone is aligned and can operate efficiently with a unified view, which is invaluable for maintaining consistency within your workflows. You, or your admin, can create and customize these views to suit the needs of different groups, tailoring the visibility of tickets to match the responsibilities of each team. Lastly, we have personal views. These are views that individual agents can create for their personal use. Personal views are where you get the chance to tailor your ticket dashboard to your own work style and preferences. If there are particular tickets or types of tickets you deal with frequently, you can organize a view that lets you focus on just those, enhancing your daily productivity. You have complete control to modify and adjust the filters within these views, allowing you to customize them according to what you find most effective for your workflow. Understanding these differences not only helps you organize your work more efficiently, but also helps you collaborate with your team more effectively. By being strategic about how you use default, shared, and personal views, you'll save time and minimize stress, making your Zendesk experience much more manageable. And that's it for today. We've navigated through the Zendesk Admin Center to explore and manage views comprehensively. This setup should empower you to tailor Zendesk to better fit your needs, whether you're handling individual tickets or managing a team workload. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to apply these tips to transform your Zendesk workspace into a powerful tool tailored exactly to your needs.